Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like first all to say thank you to the committee and has accepted my paper. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dendra, and I am from Semarang. Will present an article entitled "Sentiment Analysis." Optimization using Feather Lexicon on Machine Learning Approach. Introduction. Uh, why I choose this topic. In point one, internet use in 2021 will number 4.66 billion people, equivalent to 9.5% of the world population. All of them actively access social media, e-commerce site, streaming content, online game, and other news portal. Many of them are also active is giving their opinion in the form of comment on social media, YouTube, and review e-commerce product, and all the comment all in the form of text. Natural language processing is one of the hot topic of research in the last 5 years, and sentiment analysis is an active research topic from NLP. On the topic of sentiment analysis, the method commonly used are machine learning and lexicon-based approach. Especially the machine learning method determine the sentiment analysis based on the sentiment label of each dataset, which the lexicon method use an existing corpus dictionary. The research will combine the lexicon method and machine learning method, especially for dataset with hot label. And the process is to use the feather lexicon to determine the label of sentiment analysis and then carry out the classification process using machine learning. This study will also compare feature extraction method, including TF-IDF, word-to-vec, and word embedding, or one-hot encoding, which is the best. Machine learning method will also be compared to which one has the highest accuracy, including naive Bayes, Canir Snakeboards, or KNN, SVM, neural network, decision tree, and random forest. And the third page, the following research related to my article. Point one, the combination of lexicon machine learning is carried out by Ati Mahmud et al. 2020 in a paper entitled "A Combination of Lexicon and Machine Learning Approach for Sentiment Analysis on Facebook." This study combine lexicon and machine learning. For the machine learning approach using two methods, namely SVM and naive Bayes. In the lexicon method, using corpus from WordNet dictionary, the dataset of the study is the comment on the University Utara Malaysia Facebook page. The accuracy result as SVM 80% and naive Bayes 73%, WordNet 18.5%, a combination lexicon based and machine learning 19%. Combination increase to 19%. Researcher R.A. Syed Akram Sadat Naisan 2020 with a paper entitled "A Combination of Machine Learning and Lexicon Based Technique for Sentiment Analysis." Use the senti-word dictionary to score sentiment, senti-strength, sentimental word ratio, and Lewis sentiment list to extract sentiment polarity. Then classified using machine learning, include naive Bayes, SVM, INN, decision tree, and the dataset use was review dataset, Amazon product, and IMDb movie review. The result obtained for each dataset include Amazon review using lexicon accuracy below 17%. Will the combination machine learning method and lexicon get accuracy increase? Naive Bayes 72%, SVM 72%, INN 72%, decision tree 71%. The research point 3, the method combination lexion based learning who also carried in research R. Bandana 2018 sentiment analysis of movie review using heterogeneous feature sentiword was used to extract polarity feature and then classification the part obtained using naive Bayes linear support vector machine or LSVM for the result of using 300 training data and 100 testing data. Naive Bayes accuracy was obtained at 84% and linear SVM at 79%. Okay, and five dataset and 5-page dataset is an example of a dataset with this research use public dataset that can be obtained on the Kaggle and Amazon site. Okay. Amazon product review dataset on Kaggle set unlabeled dataset totaling 71.004 data and 0.2 SEMEVAL dataset from 2916, the fifth task on the site label dataset totaling 1.880 data. This is point 5 example, page 5 example dataset without label. Without label, I use the Jupyter Notebook tool in this research. Okay, example label dataset from some eval. Okay, this is polarity, column polarity. There is a sentiment polarity column. Okay. Okay, this is a proposed method. Following my research proposed method, there are two dataset label and unlabeled, all of which will be pre-processing using the tokenization, stop word removal, lowercase, punctuation, limitation method, especially for dataset without label will be processed Fader lexicon to obtain analysis polarity sentiment. Okay, analysis polarity sentiment. After label will be carried feature extraction using TF-IDF, word2vec, one-hot encoding, then the classification process is carried machine learning. The find result this research to find feature extraction and machine learning the highest accuracy. Okay. Method preprocessing. Okay. Method preprocessing. This following a sample preprocessing from the original text dataset, then process removing punctuation mark and marking everything lowercase. After that, the tokenization, stop word removal, and lemmatization process is carried out. Okay, Fader lexicon. Fader lexicon. This is a process. Fader lexicon. This process carried unlabeled dataset to determine sentiment analysis, sentiment score calculation by adding up a valence score of each word the lexicon using rule-based method. The normalization +1 most positive and -1 most negative. The normalization is follow equation. Here equation, the number valence of the constituent word in the corpus is constant alpha and the default value is 15. From the formula, research set a limit for each value generate to be less than minus 0.05 between minus 0.05 to 0.05 and more than 0.05 to interpret the value sentiment. Okay, this is a flowchart from Fader lexicon to get sentiment analysis score, which is then use a sentiment label. Okay, sentiment score and sentiment label. Score, sentiment positive, neutral, and negative. Okay, feature extraction, term weighting. I use TF-IDF. TF-IDF, each word in sentence in the research dataset is word in sentence. Love. This is a result from lemmatization. Love, album, good, side, crazy. This term count, IDF, TF-IDF. Okay, in second, I use word to fact. For example, word to fact, love and love it, wonderful, amazing, is very similar. Yeah, it's very similar. There is similar value, 0.7, 0.71, and 0.63, and many more. Okay, and page 13, one encoding is the encoding technique. This is a method representasi binary number, namely a number 0 and 1. All the value will be worth 0 unless there is one element that's worth 1. And namely element that value category following is example research. Word that encoding process dash document the encoding process dash R, love, album, current, good, hip hop, hop, hype, pop, side, and sound. Okay, result method comparison method or feature extraction, unlabeled dataset, product review from Kaggle, and labeled dataset SAMeval 2016. Okay, in the result, SVM use TF feature extraction, the highest accuracy, and label dataset SVM TF-IDF highest accuracy. Okay, this is a confusion metric for method SVM. Okay, conclusion. Using the Fader lexicon rule base in extraction sentiment analysis on label dataset can increase the accuracy of the machine learning method. SVM method and TF-IDF extraction feature are proven to have a high level of accuracy on label and unlabeled dataset. In the future research, we will try to use more diverse dataset and carry out more specific sentiment, not only polarity of sentiment, but also the aspect of the sentiment expressed in document. Okay, this is my paper. This is my paper. Sentiment analysis, introduction, related work, proposed method, and pre-processing. I use TF-IDF removal punctuation, tokenization, Fader, TF-IDF, word to fact. Okay, word embedding. This is original text, remove punctuation and lowercase. Okay, process TF-IDF, word to fact. I get value in word. Okay, this is a dataset, unlabeled dataset, yeah, and dataset using label. This is confusion metric. Okay. Okay, this is my coding. I use Jupyter Notebook and Python, Python code, TF-IDF, word to fact, add word embedding. Example, coding. Okay, explain test. I use cross validation. and confusion metering, method naive Bayes, SVM, neural network, and many more. Okay, thank you. That's my presentation. That's all, and thank you. Good morning.